We will be discussing about agency actions. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you can search for agency actions. Here it is. You have to install it first. It will be installed on your whole agency. Let's do it. Install, allow, and install. In a moment, it will be installed. Loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards any of your sub account and move forward towards the automations. As you can see, uh, you can uninstall, so that's why it appears it installed. So let's just choose location one for the time being. And as I mentioned before, like we have to move forward towards the automations. You can find it in your navigation bar for the automations. And here we have to create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder, and let's just create a new action. Now, too late to mention, the main purpose of agency actions is to control whole of your agency actions performed by any of your agency or any of your locations. You can control it from the whole thing from there. And these are the variety of options and the actions you can use into your workflows and automate your system. Look at that. How many are there? You can create user, you can create location, you can just create custom values, you can just update them, you can delete them, you can whatever do whatever you want with that. And let's just create a user for the timing. And um, for that reason, we will be just using the static data to set an example for the time being. First name, last name, email with the password. Don't forget the main criteria of setting any password. You have to enter letters. You have to enter capital alphabets, small alphabets with any of your unique signs with that, with your phone number. You can just choose for the user whether it is an agency user or the account user. We are just using account user for the time being. The role, it should be admin or the user. We can choose the user and the location ID. You can get it in from the Euro. Just copy paste the location ID, save this as an action, and now we will be testing our workflows. So to just set an example for for the moment, we have chosen this contact and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully. So that's how simpler and easier it is. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.